Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to get PlayStation Plus for free forever. You guys will never have to pay for PlayStation Plus membership ever again with this method. And you'll also be able to get any game you want for free on PS5 and PS4 with this method as well. But before we get started with the tutorial, I have to let you guys know about my major giveaway I'm doing. So you see my Cash App right here? Everybody is getting a chance to get over $1,000 for free. Everybody just leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and then go ahead and comment your Cash App ID or PayPal email as well. I'll be giving to a ton of you guys for free. Just go ahead and do those steps, and then also what you guys have to do is just go ahead and leave a like, comment, and I'm gonna be choosing a ton of you guys to give free money to. As you guys can see, I've got a boatload of cash here. I just did a $100,000 withdrawal from the bank, and this is all money that I've obtained through this method that I'm gonna be showcasing to you guys here right now. So let's get started with the video, guys. So to get PS Plus for free is insanely easy. It will take us maybe like maximum 15 minutes to do this, and you'll never have to do it again unless you want to, like, to get more money for free. But I didn't even come up with this method, guys. I actually saw the method on TikTok. Okay, so someone posted a TikTok video saying that they were able to get PS Plus for free. They didn't share like the exact method in the video, so I actually had to go ahead and like individually contact them and like DM them, and then ask them personally in DM like, hey, how did you do this? Can you share with me the method? Luckily he was nice enough to share with me and not actually charge me. I thought he was gonna be like, yeah, I got you, you gotta pay me like $50 for the method though. He actually gave me the method for free, and it's quite simple, guys. Basically PS Plus, basically to get free PS Plus, all you guys are gonna need to do is go on your phone. You can't do this from a computer, okay? So you have to go on your phone, like an iPhone or Android device.com. So go to this website, guys, glitchcash.com. And it's very simple. All you guys will have to do now is go to this website, and then once you guys are on this website, all you have to go ahead and do is go ahead and by the way, you have to be on a phone, like I said. And once you guys are on the website, you're gonna see a button that says like claim now. That's the button we're gonna wanna click, and that's gonna take us to a questionnaire that's gonna look something like this. So you'll see like a questionnaire like this, guys, and what we have to go ahead and do now is go ahead and fill out this questionnaire entirely. But guys, your questionnaire might look a little bit different than mine, and that's completely fine. It basically depends on like what country you're from. So if you're in USA, UK, Australia, whatever, or any other country, it might look a little bit different than mine. That's completely fine though. All of the questionnaires are pretty like similar. You just fill it out, you know, it asks for your email and stuff like that, and you just complete it. And then once you guys do that, you'll get a free you'll get the option to get over $1,000 or $750 to $1,000 straight to your Cash App email. To your Cash App or PayPal ID, PayPal email. So we're gonna go ahead and fill it out, guys, and even when you guys go through it, you'll know when you're done though, because it will redirect you back to the site. But you guys, you might see some part of the questionnaire where it asks you to complete some tasks and stuff like that. Just do it, guys. It's completely safe and it's part of it, so you just have to do that. But yeah, just go ahead and fill it out completely, and then once you guys do it all, you will have to go ahead now and just enter in your email. And you'll know you're done because it will redirect you back to the glitchcash.com site. So after about 15 minutes, it will redirect you back just like how it did for me after you completed everything and did all the tasks inside the questionnaire. Just do everything though, guys, otherwise this is not going to work for you. But as you guys can see, it redirected me back to glitchcash.com website, and as you can see, we are on the site. And now what we have to go ahead and do is it's going to ask us for a Cash App ID or PayPal email. So it's going to show a pop-up like this thing, like success, everything is done, and now we just have to go ahead and fill out this entire this pop-up here, and it's going to ask us where we want the cash to be sent to on Cash App ID or PayPal email. So I'm going to put in my Cash App ID right now, and then we're going to go ahead and click OK, and then it should go ahead and send it. And then now we are going to go ahead and check my Cash App, and we're going to open up my Cash App, and there you guys have it. We just got $1,000 for free added to my Cash App. As you guys could see, so simple, and it was so easy to do, as you guys could see right there. So now all we have to do is take this, and we can go ahead and buy PS Plus for free, or whatever we want. We could even buy clothes or like a brand new computer if that's what we want. But it's so simple, guys. As you can see, it literally took a couple of minutes to do, and we were able to get every single Cash App. We were able to get $1,000 on our Cash App for free. And now you guys may be wondering, how do you take this Cash App money or whatever? And also, guys, if you don't have Cash App or PayPal, they also do Amazon, and they also do Visa gift card as well. Yeah, you just take the Cash App money and you can go ahead and buy the PSN gift card, and then you use that PSN gift card to go ahead and buy the PS Plus or the games you want for free. and then you can use the rest of the money for whatever else you want as well. So guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Now let's go ahead, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget about the giveaway, by the way. If you guys need help with that, just leave a like, subscribe, comment your Cash App ID and PayPal. And that's pretty much it for the entire video, guys. And if it doesn't work for you, it's probably because you're not getting to the end of the questionnaire. Make sure you're filling everything out, and you guys will be good. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next video.